Hi, welcome back. I would like us to advance in the class. Let's do something a little bit more complicated, a little bit more complicated. Okay. Now we have successfully added our media files. Now let's go into a little bit of creating content right now. Now the first thing we have to do, I want us to start creating from a post. Let's try to work on blogs for a start. Okay. Now a blog is a makeup of several posts arranged in different categories to build a firm and an effective arrangement system. That is what a blog entails. Having several posts arranged in several categories to enable an effective system. Now, this is take a blog as a shelf. Now, if you go to a library, you have in a very very big library, you have books arranged according to categories. Now, categories can be health, can be technology, can be culture, can be mysteries, and etc. and etc. Those are categories. Now, under those categories, you can have lots and lots and lots and lots of books there. Now, that is how a blog system works. Now, your first thing you have to do before you create a blog post, you have to create categories. Now, this is how you're going to create categories. Now, today we're going to be creating five different categories like health, sports, technology, gossip, and entertainment, etc. etc. So now let's try to create five different categories. Now, first thing you have to do is to go to post, over your mouse to post, and you scroll down to categories. Now, I've clicked on my categories and it takes me to the categories section. Now, every post you've made before you created the category is being sent under the uncategorized section. But right now, let's try to work on something more professional. Okay. Now, the first thing, like I said, let's work on the five different posts, five different categories right now. Okay. So now the first category can be let's say entertainment. Now I've typed on that. You can easily scroll down and click on add category. Now forget about the slug, forget about the parent category, and you can also give it a description. This section is for entertainment and more. Okay, now you can put any description you want, or you can decide to leave it vacant. It depends on how you want your website to look like. But the rest of the post, I'm leaving it vacant, so don't mind me. Okay, so now I click on add to category, and boom, it comes up here. You see, so now let's add a second one. We can put sports, and now I don't like going to scrolling down also and coming down to click on add category always. So what I'll just do from now, I'll just click on enter and it moves down there. Okay, so now clicking on enter on your mouse affirms the action that you are about taking. So now let's go to culture. I click on enter again. It makes it faster for me. Let's go to gossip, goes there. Let's go to religion, goes there. Let's go to let's talk about food. Okay, I'm not a food person though. All right, don't mind me. So now we have the food, the religion, the gossip, the culture, the sports, the entertainment. We have created six categories already. Now, these are the categories we'll be working with for this website. Now, you can create your own categories. Okay. Now, we are still on the local host server. Very soon, we're moving all your content to the live server, which is a subdomain, so that I can be able to see what you have done and feel what you have done. Is that okay? So now this is how you create categories in the web development section. So now kindly work on the practicals right now and let me see what you've got. Thank you very much for being a part of this class. Have a wonderful and wonderful day. Bye.